Hi guys, what I'm showing you here is pretty much everything that comes in the Rustoleum kit. Mine is the liquid sander. It's like a big bottle of liquid that you wipe down your cabinets and everything, so you don't have to use the palm sander. Of course, you would need the Rustoleum kit itself, along with the items that I'm about to show you. And the Rustoleum kit, you can purchase it from any of your local hardware stores. I purchased mine from Home Depot, but you can also get it from Amazon, Ace Hardware, or Lowe's, or Menards. Here are the items that you will need outside of the kit. I purchased the blue tape, the little sponge brushes you're going to need. And you're definitely going to need a really good paintbrush. You're going to want to spend a little money on it because it really helps to have a really good brush. An all-purpose brush is best. And the plastic, I purchased that to cover the floors or the top of the countertop if you wish to keep your countertop. And you're also going to need the plastic sandwich bags so you can put all the hinges and everything inside. You're definitely going to need a marker. And here I guess I'm showing you what type of brush to use. Of course, you're going to need a drill or a screwdriver to take off all the hinges. Once I had everything I needed, that's when I started taking the doors off. This project took me about 4 to 5 days to complete. If this is something you want to take on, please have patience. It's pretty tedious. If you don't have the patience, please don't start it, because once you start, there's no turning back. You have to finish the job. So I didn't take everything completely out of my cabinets. I just took out a few things, or kind of pushed them back up in the cabinet, because none of that will be disturbed while you are painting. So, and I'm showing you here, I numbered each door. That way, once I put them back where they belong, they can align up the way they were. That's a good tip for you. And there are the bags. I put all the hinges and everything in the bag and numbered that as well. I numbered inside the doors. Yeah, you can see I numbered inside the doors. I didn't want to take any chance on the doors leaning or not lining up correctly. So, guys, like I said, have patience and take your time. And here's where I took a small toothbrush just to get into the crevices of the doors. Make sure you get all the grease and any grime, dirt build up on the doors. So you clean them with soapy water first, and then you go over them with the bottle of solution I was telling you about, that you don't have to sand. You won't have to sand the doors at all. So once you do that, then you can start painting, and it's all fun from here. Once you start painting the doors, you're going to paint one side at a time. So you're going to put at least 2 coats on each side. And later you're going to see where I use cups to hold up the door and let them dry. So you're going to paint one side, then you're going to flip it over and paint the other side, and so on. So it's pretty fun, guys. You would definitely love the results in the end, and it's nothing like the feeling you get. It feels so gratifying knowing that you did that and it turned out awesome. So, like I said, have patience, guys, and the end result is worth it. Hey guys, real quick, let me know if you subscribed yet. Go ahead and, hit that button, subscribe, and hit that bell also so you can get notifications when I upload videos. Don't miss out. For the most part, all the painting is done. So now it's going to be time. You have an option to add the bond coat. And that was that little can that I showed you there. And you just add that on top. And what that'll do is bond the color on the door. So you have minimal chipping. And there's also a glaze that you can put on there to give it a sheen, like a nice little sheen or shine or whatever. But that's totally optional. Be careful with that one, that last step, because if you put too much on the brush, it'll drip and it dries really, really fast, and it dries white. So really be careful with that. That's the one you use the sponge brushes for. Yep, hope you guys enjoyed this. Please let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and share. Guys, I really loved how this turned out. I chose the black color because I felt like it'd give it a nice contrast against the floor. The black color to me is so much better than this golden oak color that was on the cabinets before. To me, this is a really great way to update the look of your kitchen without breaking the bank. Share pictures or video if you guys tried this at home. Let me know. Now that it's all complete, please let me know what you guys think of this kitchen cabinet update.